Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be looking about the top 10 trending coins, the top 10 biggest gainers and the biggest losers in today's market. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that you know what step you need to take, what precaution you need to take, and what action you need to take in the coming few days. We are going to be discussing all that throughout this video. If you're new to my channel, I want you to like this video and subscribe to the channel as an encouragement. I really appreciate the people who commented on my last video and also like the last video. Thumbs up. So if you want a shout out in my video, like this video and also comment down below. Make sure you subscribe so that it will serve as an encouragement for me. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the market today. So we are now in our coin market cap. So we are looking at the best cryptos right now. This is the spotlight. So we can see the top trending coins today. Mozart Finance in the last 24 hours, it has risen by 38%. um I do not know much about that coins, but um I will not advise anybody to go into that. Do not purchase, do not trade any coin if you do not know more about it, or you do not have enough knowledge about it, so that you do not suffer losses. Do not trade coins like that without making adequate research. So number one on the list is Mozart Finance. Mozart Finance, is it a good investment? So we're going to be checking it out. If Mozart Finance is the best investment for you to do. I'm going to connect to my network now. Then I'm going to allow this to load so that we can analyze that coin. But we do not need to waste time on that. So let's go to number two, Everrise, HODL, hodling, Baby Dogecoin, Safe Moon, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Kishu Inu, Cardona, and Karen Coin. So I think the Mozart Finance is open now. As you can see, it has only 12,000. This coin is very early. So in the last 24 hours, it has increased by 38%. Is it a good investment? My correct answer is I don't know. I don't know. As you can see, it is I hate buying high and selling low. As you can look at this trend now, this is its all-time trend. So it had a high here, it's dumped, another high, it's dumped, it gets high, dumped. Now this is a high. So what do you predict? What do you think will be the next thing it's going to dump? So I'm not into cryptocurrencies as this. I will avoid it at all costs. So number one on the list is Mozart, Everrise. Shiba Inu is down here. Shiba Inu just moved up 5% in the last 24 hours. In this top 10 cryptocurrency, I want you to comment in the comment section which one you're currently holding. So let's look at the biggest gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, we have Bitcoin, Zabuku Inu, Pogo, Dragon Vein, First Chain, the last McFay token, Unification, X Fund, Insight Protocol, and Combo. If you have any of these coins, comment down below. Let's know if this coin is profitable. Give us insights down in the comment section. The biggest losers in the last 24 hours are Pitsports, or what is that called? Pop It Farm, Safe Protocol, Helen Coin, One Token, Zoin, Base Reward Token, Baby Boom Baby. I don't know what all that is called. I don't know. So let's see the most visited cryptocurrency according to market cap. As you can see, Shiba Inu is fourth, is ranking. So many people are still interested in this coin. And the recently added coin to Coinbase are all this. So coin market cap is an interesting place for you to know about the trending coins today. So now the question for today is, Shiba Inu is struggling. Why? Why is Shiba Inu struggling? So let's go into market cap and look at the chart of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. Let's see what's going on in this cryptocurrency and why it is struggling. We are going to look at the chart then we'll tell if we can predict why it's struggling. Let's look at it in the last 1 month. Let's see the last 1 month chart. So as you can see, it had an all-time high here and it has been unable to reach there again, but instead it is on a downward trend. So it is difficult for Shiba Inu to get back to its previous all-time high. Let's look at it in the last 3 months. So as you can see, it had an all-time high and it couldn't recover. Right now, it seems this is the normal price for it and it's going to go on like this for a very long time. So according to the news, it is saying Shiba Inu has been stuck in recent days and its value price has yet to shift one way or the other. As you can see it here, it has just been on this line. Either it goes up a little or it goes down a little. So what is the latest prediction for Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu has hit a big slump recently, failing to capitalize on any enthusiasm or hype, according to FX Street, which monitors the trend of cryptocurrencies and stock. You see, what is really affecting Shiba Inu right now is the development of other meme coins that are available in the market. I think that is the major problem of Shiba Inu. Since the outbreak of Shiba Inu, since the outbreak of a coin that could challenge Dogecoin, I believe you have heard about other types of coin, other type of Inu coin that have come out. We have seen Shiba Inu, we have seen Sanshu Inu. I made a video about that one yesterday. You can check it out. It's my previous video, and many more meme coins are coming out, which is not giving Shiba Inu the space it needs to thrive. So as you can see, according to Shiba Inu news, they are saying, is it the Dogecoin killer or king? How Shiba Inu differ from Dogecoin? I'm going to make a video about that next, although that is an old news 6 days ago. So that's all for this video. As you can see, Shiba Inu has been struggling recently. We have seen that Shiba Inu is struggling because there are many competition around it. People are now shifting their attention to other cheaper coins that are available in the market. So if you have any idea or any insight about this, I want you to comment down below.